Alright, we're rolling. So guys, we're going to Southeast Asia tomorrow. Thought it'd be a good idea just to kind of let you guys know what we have in our bags because we're bringing them everywhere. So the first thing, the backpack.
It's the Rook 65 liter. It's an Osprey bag. So
the main thing I would say is it fits a lot and it has this kind of meshy, trampoline-y, like
padding
thing there that distributes the weight. So that's the best part about it, I think. I haven't found any cons about the bag except for one.
And we're gonna probably say the same thing. It doesn't open like a suitcase. You can only open it from the top here or from this little bottom kind of addition pouch. I really like that it has a rain guard.
But yeah, that's the only downside to it. It doesn't open like a suitcase, so it's a little bit annoying. She wants to talk about what's on the outside.
So down here you have a fanny pack on each side of the backpack. So this is the part that would kind of strap around your waist. You have adjustable straps that adjust where they sit on your shoulders on the side here. So I really like it because I'm really short and Zach's really tall, so we can both have the same bag. And then you have a bunch of these little places you can hook stuff on the sides. Up at the top of the bag here, there's a little hole where we've got a 2-liter pack, what you'd call it, that you can drink water out of.
So the next thing is shoes and clothing. I got these shoes that kind of work as hiking / running shoes, and they're pretty stylish, but mainly to be for running and hiking and comfort, because this is the main shoe I'm going to be wearing, and she got shoes that are very simple.
And then I'm bringing these pair, it's just Birkenstocks. And
I just got these slides right here. For clothing, literally the only stuff I have is this. That's it. It's all my socks and all my underwear. So I have 3 pairs of socks plus the ones I'll be wearing to the airport. And then I got 4 pair of underwear plus the one I'll be wearing to the airport. And then we can just hand wash them whenever we get to hostels and stuff like that. A pair of, like, I guess nice shorts. Like I wouldn't go swimming with these. My swimmers that can also be worn as shorts. And then I have my pants that I'll be wearing to the airport that also turn into shorts, and they're super lightweight. If you're going to Southeast Asia, what I've read and what I've seen on YouTube is that you need to have a pair of pants just because it can, one, get cold, and you also have to cover your knees when you go into temples and stuff. For shirts, I literally have 1 shirt, normal t-shirt, plus the one I'll be wearing to the airport. Then I have this really tiny small tank top, like can literally crumple up really small, and then I have this also shirt. This one is just a very lightweight, like button up, just so I can wear it casually, but also I can button it up. Plus the rain jacket crumples up into this pack. Recommend getting one of these.
So here we have all of my bathing suits, a couple pairs of sunglasses, 2 dresses. This is just a beach cover up. All of my socks, underwear, bras, everything are in here too, and a couple of tank tops. All I'm bringing for pants, I'm bringing 1 long skirt here. I have 3 pairs of shorts, jean shorts, the khakis, which are sleep shorts, but they're also ones that I can kind of wear out.
So next up would be electronics. For me, I wanted to be able to record and take a lot of pictures and obviously post on YouTube. So I have my MacBook with its case, very slim case. You can just slide it right in, and then it takes very little space in my bag. This is probably the thing that takes up the most space in my bag because this holds both of my cameras, GoPro and my DSLR. And then it has all the accessories in my GoPro, has all the lenses, everything. So this takes up the most space in my bag probably out of everything I have, but very essential.
He has most of the electronics, but I do have one thing that I think is really going to come in handy, and it's this little USB fan. Depending on where you're thinking of backpacking, you need to get a different adapter to charge your phone. So Asia uses the same ones in the EU. This one here. Also important when staying in hostels is bring the extension cord.
Those 3 items kind of lead into the next category, which would be the essential things you should bring. Firstly, pack up little hammock right here. This is a 2-person hammock with a bug net. So we can set this up in hostels, we can set this up outside anywhere and have a bug net so that we can sleep in it pretty much anywhere. So again, one of these I would say is essential.
One thing that I wanted to mention too is a money belt, or like Fanny Pack, I guess. So you can put these under your shirts, put all your essential documents.
This travel towel. The difference between these and normal towels is that they can roll up and crumple up way tighter than a normal towel. And they dry way quicker, so definitely essential. A lot of people will actually bring a day pack. We thought it would be a better idea to just get a day pack that zips up into a little baggie right here, so I'll show you guys. And you know, it holds enough stuff like a water bottle, camera, phone, chargers, snacks, everything. So the next thing I have is this anti-mosquito head net. Nearing the end of the essentials, I just have this little baggie here, these eye covers, and then a blow up pillow just in case. And then lastly, not everybody is going to consider this an essential, but to me, I definitely think it is. I have a journal and a sketchbook, just because I will be trying to journal every single day and I like to draw. So definitely essential for me.
You should print all of your travel documents, passport, everything like that, just to have a separate copy.
Lastly is toiletry. This here is my toiletry bag. I got my toothbrush, toothpaste, razor, shaver, cologne. I got pretty much everything in here except for shampoo, conditioner, and deodorant.
Hairbrush.
And a hairbrush.
He didn't bring any shampoo, conditioner, anything, so I had that. I also have this container for my soap, because I like a good bar soap. These are wipe on bug spray. What?
You just have so much shit.
I have 3 different sunscreens, but I may just bring 2 of them. Afterbite and Polysporin, because you never know. Little laundry soap, pocket soap, and they're literally just little sheets, so you just get them wet. The last bag that I have, this is our first aid kit.
And then lastly, we got these things that we're gonna patch on eventually onto our
I'm gonna
bags.
go iron those off.
Just because everybody loves Canadians. I tried to pack really light because in Asia it's very cheap and I can just buy anything I need there. So
Yeah.
I didn't go over my limit, you know, like I didn't pack too much. So
I definitely need to maybe unpack some clothes, but I think it's not that bad. When I pick up the bag, I put it on my back, I think it's fine. So
that's what's in our bag.
yeah.